Good day to you, Sir, Madam. I'm Marilea Galang, 36 years old, single, high school graduate.
Good day to you, Miss Maria Leia. How are you today?
I'm fine, Sir, Madam.
What are the advantages of the employer if they will hire you?
If they will hire me, I am an honest person, loyal, and a hardworking.
Can you tell us the proper way of taking care of children?
The proper way of taking care of children is take a bath, feeding at the right time.
What if you committed a mistake and the employer is called you? What will you do?
If I commit a mistakes, I will tell my employer not to do it again and sorry for my mistake.
What is your last message to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please hire me. I need this job to earn enough money for my family. I promise I will finish my 2-year contract. Thank you, Sir, Madam.
Thank you, Miss Maria Leia, and see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.